Hey everyone, I am Maha, and I am going to guide you to education with CurveUp. Today, we're talking about 8 simple steps to build your own online academy.
With the world becoming more digital, the need for online education is greater than ever. With an online academy, you can share your knowledge and expertise with a wider audience. In this video, we'll be giving you 8 steps to help you launch your own online academy.
Step 1. Define your target audience.
It's important to have a clear understanding of who your target audience is and what courses you want to offer. This will guide the development of your platform and the content you create.
Step 2. Build your course curriculum.
The learning objectives will help you design your course. One effective way to do this is using various L&D models. This probably provides you the framework and simplifies the learning experience for your students. And it's also very important to incorporate different teaching methods to cater to different learning styles.
Step 3. Choose a platform for your academy.
There are many platforms available for creating and hosting an online academy. You can choose from existing platforms or even custom build your own. If you're feeling quite overwhelmed, our CurveUp platform is also available to help and guide you through the process.
Step 4. Create your course content.
Now it's time to start creating your course content. Engagement and interaction is key to a successful course. You can do this through bite-sized videos, gamification, and providing extra resources to supplement the course.
Step 5. Localize your content.
Your course content needs to be accessible to a diverse range of students. You can achieve this by offering your course content in many languages. You can also incorporate local reference points that are more relatable to students. This will make your academy more inclusive for non-native speakers.
Step 6. Accreditation and certification.
Offering accreditation or certification can provide a sense of accomplishment for your students. You can partner with an existing accrediting body or create your own accreditation program. It can be in the form of certificates or even digital badges.
Step 7. Market and monetization.
It's time to start promoting your academy to potential students. There are various channels you can use this to reach your target audience. With the correct pricing, you can keep selling your courses. You can also start your basic lessons for free.
Step 8. Track and improve.
Use student feedback to make improvements to your courses and platform. This will ensure that your academy delivers the best learning experience. With that, the 8 steps are over. By following these steps with the right strategies, you can create your own online academy with ease. And with CurveUp, you'll have a team of experts to help guide you through the process.
Keep following our #edu with CurveUp for more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on online education.